Okay, I have this one and I actually use it every day. Even I just burn something like workstation, but I worry this is already dirty here. Even I clean, it's still dirty. So I'm going to paint my, I use my color here, paint to be red color. Okay, so the first I remove this one first to make it safe, and I will mix with this one chemical to make it softer. Okay, try with this first if it is smooth or not. As my experience when I use this one, it's not really smooth, but I got one idea before this one. I want to use this one to make it smooth and clear. Unfortunately, this one it already finished the color. It already finished the color. So what I'm gonna do is just refill this color into this box and I will spray like this. Let's see how I make this one. So I will do it a little trick for you to see this one. To refill this one into this box and spray like this. Okay, please stay. So the first I want to show you the material being used in this process. So we use the empty box, this one empty box, and this one Schrader valve. This is by Schrader valve. This is a small spare part, and from the bike, and this one the couple glue. I use this one. Okay, so we start our project right now. Small hole to put the valve here, and to input the color inside. So okay, so we can use glue right now. Just stick it around here, black and white glue. We make the glue together here. Don't need much, just need a little bit. Mix together, make sure it. Okay, so first I just move it some glue to make it inside, have some glue, and I put it. Okay. This is very important, this one. If we make it fail, it will be, I'll just leave it about 10 or 20 minutes to make it strong, hard. Already hard, this one is strong. And let me check the airproof. So I have the air pump here. Okay, so I will take something to press. Oh, very strong, yeah. Very strong, very strong. Okay, so how strong is it? So let's see together. Oh, very strong. Oh my god. Even I put this from very far. See? Even this one. This one. Okay, so we can start to refill the color inside here, and we spray. Okay, so now we fill this one into this one. So the red color, and what we're going to do is remove this pin. So I remove by use this cap. Okay, so we can take this one small pin, and we use this one to suck it in. Okay, and make sure this is the input way, and this is output way. So when we fill in, make sure you press this one, press like this, and you put like this. Just inject. Okay, it's going on slowly. So we just put the pin, the special pin back to make sure we can pump the air inside this little tank. Okay. Alright, so now we can start pump the air. Okay, so we start to shake it and spray it, and let's see how it works. Oh, great! Oh, so it already finished the color because I just testing a little bit color. So I'm going to refill again, and this time I will refill half, maybe 40 of this tank. So let's see, I refill again, and we refill this way. Okay, 25 cc, and you put like this. Okay, now we start. So we spray again. This time we have more. Oh. Okay, as my experience, we need to shake forever. Is shake well and always shake and spray. It's very good because the air is not come. Now it's well. It's very well. See? Okay. So you put the liquid like 1/3 with this one, and shake very well to make sure that you can spray well as well. If you don't shake and you don't put liquid in, it's hard to spray because the air will come separately with the water. It's not smooth like what I do. So it is very easy to do if you have this one, the hard tank. But actually another idea, they can make from plastic, but it's not good like a tank, this one, because it have the expert from original expert. It store this kind of job for spraying. So this one is very good idea for you, and you just make like what I did and see my video since I first start, and just follow what I do. So you can do yourself at home if you want to do it, and carefully. Okay, great, and thank you very much for watching my video until the end. So please subscribe if you love our content. Thank you very much. Bye. See you in the next video.